Hi everyone, welcome to Ella's ESL English. Today we're going to learn about a special type of phrase that will help you sound more natural in English, binomial word pairs. So what are binomials? Well, binomials are very common phrases in English. They usually consist of two words linked with and or. For example, on and off, peace and quiet, and pros and cons. They help your English sound more natural and advanced. Let's look at our first example, bits and pieces. This is a phrase you'll hear native speakers use all the time. Bits and pieces means small individual things. Notice the pronunciation. We often say it quickly, bits and pieces. You might use this when you're talking about shopping or tidying up. Let's look at an example sentence. I just need a few bits and pieces from the supermarket. Try saying it with me. Bits and pieces. Excellent. Next, we have safe and sound. This is a very warm and positive expression. Safe and sound means you are unharmed and in good condition, usually after a journey or a difficult situation. We often use this when checking if someone arrived home okay. Here's a common example. The children were found safe and sound. It's a great way to show relief and care. Our third phrase is on and off. We use this to describe something that happens intermittently. On and off means from time to time, but not continuously. It's often used when talking about the weather. For instance, if the rain keeps starting and stopping, you could say, it rained on and off all day. That's a very common way to describe an inconsistent activity. Now let's look at part and parcel. This is perfect for talking about the essential parts of an experience. Part and parcel means something that is an unavoidable part of a larger whole. We often use it in professional contexts. Here is an example of someone working in the media. Working irregular hours is all part and parcel of being a journalist. It's an essential part of the job. Our final phrase for today is peace and quiet. Everyone needs a little of this sometimes. Peace and quiet is a wonderful expression used to describe a calm environment without noise or stress. Let's see it in a sentence. I would work better if I had some peace and quiet. Can you think of a place where you go for some peace and quiet? So remember, binomials like bits and pieces, safe and sound, on and off, part and parcel, and peace and quiet make your English sound more natural. Great job! Try using one of these in your own sentences today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you soon.